YouTube, what is going on, my dogs? This your boy G So Creative, man. I ain't even got to do intro. Y'all already know who it be, man. Look here. So, I'm working on the Xmotos today. As y'all can tell, the frame ain't red no more. No, sir. It ain't red no more. Matter of fact, it's in the beginning stage of getting customized. That's right. We finna go ahead and go with the same color on the bike, on the railings, on this trimming, on everything. But we ain't gonna do no overkill. We're gonna make it look sexy. Shack. Make it look real shack. Yeah, I'm saying. Listen here. Before we do that, I want to show y'all something on the chain because I gotta let that dry. And then I gotta go back and prep it up. And I know what I'm finna do is gonna seem opposite on what I should do last instead of first, but I said I need to go ahead and do this now, and then I can always clean up and finish painting because I ain't gotta do nothing but add vinyl on top of my paint. So anyway, let's get straight to the point. So, by the way, I hope everybody having a good day today. Hope everybody being blessed. Hope you're enjoying your Xmotos. I'm finna customize this seat too also. Go ahead, because I like the all black. Don't get me wrong, but I think I want to put a little white and gold lines in it, like 3 little lines in the front. Kind of make it look, you know, color coordinated until I get the real seat. Because, of course, I'm going to go to Upstate Cycle this week. Make it do what it do. I got to buy some more accessories. I got to get rid of this. So I'm going back to get some more bar grips. I'm going to get, of course, the black and white bar grips. I think I've seen some gold ones up there, if I'm not mistaken. Like, not really gold, but black, white, and had like a little gold looking stitching in it. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever you might call it, indentation or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to go get that this week at Upstate Cycle. But I'm going to show y'all a little trick because I do this with a lot of my chains. And I'm not going to apply the grease on there just yet. I'm going to do that last. But this one of the things I'm going to do because, of course, if you got a Chinese dirt bike, 9 times out of 10, you got a Chinese chain. Everything made in China anyway, right? But listen, you see that chain rusted right there? That comes from lacking of putting grease on it. And that's on my behalf. I will take the blame for that because I just ride the hell out of this bike and don't actually maintain the chain, which is the most important thing, besides the engine, putting all the stuff in. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do. I got some Never Wet Rust-Oleum base coat, and what this do is it is a liquid repellent barrier. Yes, sir. I can't speak Spanish, but I don't know if y'all can see that. The barrier de humanidad repellent or whatever. I said that all wrong, but anyway, this is step 1 coat right here. Great for wood, metal, concrete, vinyl, and more. Idea. I can't pronounce that. But anyway, stop rust. You know what I'm saying? So that's rust. We finna stop the rust. You know what I'm saying? Step 1 coat right here. Bam. Pull this up right here. We got step 2. Say the same thing. Liquid repellent barrier. Something repellent. I don't know. Step 2. Top coat. Paso 2 Capo Superior. Or whatever that is. I don't speak Spanish, so what if you speak Spanish, let me know what that's the same thing. It say the same thing, step 2 top coat, but I wish I could pronounce it, but who cares? I speak English. As long as y'all can understand my English, I'm good enough. Now to my Spanish people out there, boy, y'all got it going on because y'all can speak Spanish, English. Me, I can just speak English. I can't speak Spanish, so maybe I'll get me a little Spanish buddy help me learn how to speak Spanish, and then we can start translating a lot of the stuff to you know, some of the people that can't speak English. That way we can get a wide variety of viewers, you know. That way it kind of be fair for everybody. But anyway, I'm off subject. But so we're gonna take the step 2 coat and the step 1 coat, and y'all probably can notice I got a screw missing right there. That's on my behalf because I took it off trying to change the gear ratio. Dropped the screw, lost the screw, don't know what happened to it. But it's all good because I'll find another screw for it. But anyway, back on subject. Step 1 coat. You want to take this. Make sure your chain ain't got no oil on it. Make sure it's dry, dog. Make sure it's dry. You want that more dry, like dehydrated dry. You don't want no oil on there. You don't want that on there. So, while you got it like that, that's natural dryness because I ain't did nothing to the chain. So, I kind of saved myself some time. But anyway, take this right here. You want to spray it on your chain. It don't matter if it get on anything else. This is the first coat right here, y'all. Yeah, it's getting on my plastic and stuff. It don't matter. It'll make it waterproof. So it's all Gucci. It don't matter if it get on there. But anyway, you want to soak that down real good. Soak that down real good and back your dirt bike up. Back your dirt bike up and do that all the way around. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and roll it forward. Roll it forward a little bit. Let that chain come back around till it get to the dry. Alright. Now, I'm gonna roll it down a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, let me put y'all on my chest mount, man. That way y'all don't be wiggling all around. Alright, so got you on my chest mount. Anyway, I'm gonna take that step 1 coat. You're gonna take it, spray it the same way. That step 1, you wanna spray the chain. Same way. That's step 1. Now what this gonna do, this gonna prevent your chain from rusting back out from water because it's gonna repel the water off of it. And do that. You can let it dry a little bit. Once you let it dry a little bit, you can go back over with the second coat. I got second coat right here. It ain't completely dry yet, but it don't really matter because both on the same. So one just a prep, one not. So I'm gonna hit the chain like that right there. And then what this do is gonna dry. And when it dry up, it's gonna lubricate the chain. So now I'm gonna roll it back again and then I'm gonna repeat the process. It's gonna turn the chain white. So what you will notice that your chain is gonna turn white. So don't panic once your chain turn white, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna take and put the oil on there. So that just your coat. That just your coat, you know what I'm saying? That's letting you see that it's actually dried up on your chain. So don't panic when your chain start turning that color. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna get yourself some oil. Now, I don't know what kind of oil y'all use. I use any kind of oil, man. It's best to get gear oil. This is like regular motor oil, but I got some gear oil in there somewhere. I gotta find it. I ain't gonna put it on there right now, but you can also use WD-40, spray it down with some WD. That work. But like I say, I got some gear oil in there. I ain't gonna put it on right now because I don't want to make a mess before I finish customizing. But I'm gonna clean it up when I got the stuff on, and then I'm gonna finish customizing this. Go ahead and put my logos and everything else on there. That way this bad boy can look good. You know what I'm saying? So that's the process after that. Get yourself some oil. Go ahead, re-oil your chain after you can put that on there. And then you don't have to worry about your chain rusting out no more. So every little thing I do to this bike, I like to try to get y'all in on what I'm doing. That way, in case you might want to do it. You know what I'm saying? Might want to do it, you might not want to do it. I got a little paint on here. I'm finna clean that up. That's no problem. That's plastic. So I put a little bit of Xylene on there. That Xylene to take all that little paint off there. That way this bad boy can have a nice clean look when I finish. So you know you always got to do the prep up when you get done painting or customizing or whatnot. So I'm also gonna do a ride out video later on. That'll be a separate video from this right here. Don't want to cram everything in one video, have one long ass video. So I thought I'd just show y'all how to do that. Also, I got some more content coming up on some other things, you know, like if you lose your key, and guess what? You need to get it started. If you ain't got your key, guess what? That's why you need to subscribe to my channel, because your boy G So Creative got all the ideas that you need. That's why that's why a lot of people call me, as far as myself, call me G So Creative, because I'm so creative with doing a lot of things. So if you want to learn how to get your bike going, if you lost your key to it and you just ain't got the money to buy another starter right now, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in this video. Make it do what it do, because if you don't subscribe, you're going to miss out. Then when you go to come back in and say, hey, how you do this? I'm going to guess what? Guess what G going to say? I'm going to say, well, buddy, you should have subscribed so you could have been keeping up with everything I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So join the Xmoto train, dog, because we moving. Xmoto gang, we in the building. We're going to stay in the building. We're going to stay chilling. We're going to stay positive vibes. We're going to keep it live. We're going to be riding. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep riding, because that's us. That's how we do it. I got the gold right there. And guess what? I got to find some white to put on here, because the white is what's going to set everything off. You can already see down there. It's going to be looking sexy. The most one-of-a-kind dirt bike on YouTube. You don't see another dirt bike like this on YouTube. If you do, I want you to put the link in my description on somebody who got one that look exactly like this. Because if they do got one look exactly like this, I might buy it from them. They want to sell it. and then I'll give it away to one of you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, make it do what it do. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. It's your boy G So Creative signing out. Peace.